Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. The story of the Shoeshine boy. Every morning, a young boy named Tom sat outside a large bank in the busy part of the city, shining shoes for businessmen and women. Tom was no ordinary shoeshine boy. While polishing shoes, he would listen carefully to the conversations of the people who walked in and out of the bank. They often talked about stocks, trades, and big deals. Though he didn't fully understand everything at first, Tom paid close attention and slowly began to pick up on these topics. Tom loved learning. He didn't have money to go to school, but he had something better: curiosity and determination. Every evening, after a long day of work, he would think about the words he had heard during the day. Words like investment, shares, and profits. He would ask questions to some kind customers, and some of them were kind enough to explain. Slowly, Tom started to understand how the world of business worked. One sunny afternoon, Tom was shining the shoes of a man in a fancy suit. The man was talking to someone on his phone about a deal that didn't seem to make sense. Tom couldn't help himself. He said politely, "Excuse me, sir, but I think that deal might not be the best idea. The market is too risky right now for that kind of investment." The man was surprised. He put down his phone and looked at Tom with a raised eyebrow. "What makes you say that?" he asked, curious. Tom felt nervous, but decided to explain. "I've been listening to a lot of people talk about stocks and business outside this bank. I've noticed patterns in what they say. Last week, a man mentioned something similar, and it didn't work out for him. I think the market is going down for now." The man was impressed. "Where did you learn all of this?" he asked. Tom told him his story, how he listened to conversations every day, how he asked questions, and how he tried to understand everything he could. The man smiled and said, "You're a smart kid, Tom. You've got a good eye for business." The man thought for a moment and then made Tom an offer. "How about this? I'll help you expand your shoeshine service. You can hire other kids to work with you, and I'll lend you money to buy better tools and polish. But you have to promise to work hard and keep learning." Tom couldn't believe his ears. "Really? You'd do that for me?" he asked, his eyes wide with excitement. "Yes," the man said, "but only if you promise to take this opportunity seriously. I think you have a bright future." Tom agreed, and the man kept his word. With the investment, Tom bought more shoe polish, brushes, and small stools for his team. He also started teaching other kids in his neighborhood how to shine shoes and how to talk politely to customers. Before long, Tom wasn't just a shoeshine boy. He was running a small shoeshine business. Customers loved the service, and his team grew bigger every month. As Tom's business grew, so did his knowledge of money and business. He learned how to save, how to invest, and how to make smart decisions. Over time, Tom expanded his services beyond shoe shining. He opened a small shop selling shoe care products and later added a cleaning service for leather bags and coats. Years went by and Tom's hard work paid off. He became a successful businessman, owning several shops in the city. But he never forgot his roots. He continued to help kids in his old neighborhood, giving them jobs and teaching them the skills they needed to succeed. One day, Tom visited the man who had helped him all those years ago. He thanked him for believing in him and giving him a chance. The man smiled and said, "I didn't do much, Tom. You're the one who worked hard and made it happen." Tom's story became famous in the city. People admired him not just for his success, but for his kindness and determination. He proved that with hard work, curiosity, and a little bit of help, anyone can achieve great things. Tom's journey from a shoeshine boy to a successful businessman inspired everyone who heard it. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.